Hi guys, in this video we will do a few quick fix before we export this file to the Lumion. So let's start. We go to the front view here. Okay. Let's see what we have here. There's a gap between the this room and the roof slab, so we gotta fix this one. Also, the polygon here, we have to remove it and remove this frame. We don't need it, and we will move the frame to this area. Also, we have to fix this area as well. We close this gap between the roof slab and this room. So let's start. First of all, we select this box. We go to the modify menu, right click, convert to editable poly. Okay. Now we gotta select the vertex, select the snap toggle. Okay, and right click to check if the vertex is selected. That's fine. Okay, we will highlight the vertex on the top and then we move it here. Okay, so now the 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 top of the room, it's now we close the gap. It's matched with the photo. There is no gap. It used to be like this, but when we did this one, when we use the vertex, now we close the gap. Let's do the same thing with the bottom. Okay. Okay. Now the work is accurate 100%. Let's go now to this one. We will do the same thing. Right click, convert to editable poly, go to the front view and select select the vertex here from the menu and select the top vertex, the vertex on the top. And let's, okay. Now it's 100% match. There is a gap here, so we can do what? Highlight the vertex on the right side and then we move it. Now it's close. We will do the same thing with the bottom. Okay. Now the work now is accurate 100%. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, we have a problem here. We have to remove the frame and remove the polygon. Okay, so let's remove the selection from the snap toggle. Select the glasses here. Okay, once I select the polygon, I will select this one and then I delete it. We select the element. Okay, wait, we'll select this element. So the border now. We'll select the border now and we will remove it one by one. So okay. That's great. Now we removed it. We select now the vertex here. We go to the front view. Select only the vertex, this one. And then we move it. Yeah, select the snap toggle before we move to the left. Okay, now we select this one. The same thing we will do with what? With the glass. So now we turn this one off. Select the glasses. Select the vertex. And select this one. We move it to the left. Bingo. Do the same thing now with the frame here. Select, select the frame. select the vertex. Okay, select the glasses, the vertex now, and then we move it. Okay, now what's left? There is a gap here between the roof slab and the room, so we have to close it, and also we will make sure that this one it's stick with the frame, so I don't want to see any gap here. Select this box, convert it to editable poly, and select this one again, select the vertex, select, let's start with the vertex in the top. Okay, match it with the frame. That's great. Okay, we'll do the same thing now with the left side. Okay, that's good. And we'll do the same thing with the bottom, with the vertex in the bottom. Okay, that's really good. Okay, I think there is a space here, not really sure. So we will what? We will select the frame again. Now turn the snap toggle off. Turn this one off. We don't need it. Okay, we select the frame again. Vertex. Front view Z. Press Z for zoom. Okay. We just only select this vertex. Okay. Oh, by mistake. By a mistake. I select the glasses. Okay. So front, yeah, and then select all the vertex here. Okay, and let's select this point instead of selecting. Yep. Okay, that's cool. Now we gotta do the same thing with the glasses. Front view. Press F for front view and press Z for zoom. Okay, wait. Again. Okay, now the work is 100% correct. Let's, okay, that's fine, that's fine.